Aries, Namaste. Welcome to your January 1st fortnight reading. Let me apologize to all of you for not doing weekly readings in this first fortnight. I've been behind schedule. I had a lot on my plate. So by the second fortnight, I hope to be bringing you your weekly readings. Just bear with me a little while, okay? Let me take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy new year again and to thank all of you for the love and support that you've shown me and my channel. I am so grateful to all of you. I'm available for my personal readings now, so in case if you're interested, you'll find my contact details in the description box below the video. Also, I want to make everybody aware of the scam that is happening around. I have posted my email address and my WhatsApp. You can contact me only on those two numbers. If you receive messages or contact from any other sources that is not me, don't get scammed, okay? This is a general read, so take only what resonates and don't try to fit yourself in any situation. Also, always watch your sun, moon, rising sign videos to get different messages in each of those videos and to understand the different energies that play out for you, okay? Let's get your tarot cards on the board and then we will start your reading. You already have one flyer, we need two more. All right, so Aries, your January 2022 first fortnight reading for you. Ooh, prosperity, love it. And that's number 25, which works out to 7. And 7 is all about, it's a spiritual number to me, okay? So it's about the divine blessing you with prosperity in your life and also the divine wanting you to count your blessings and be grateful for that, okay? And can you see this treasure chest here with this girl is not even expecting? Wow! Prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receiving it. Love it. So Aries, two messages straight away for you. First is you worked very hard for your success, whatever success means to you, whichever area it means to you. And the divine is acknowledging all your hard work and is going to bless you in whichever area that you've been working very hard and haven't really seen success in. That's your first message. The second message is for you to be grateful, as I said in the beginning, for what you have, because that way you will attract more to be grateful for. And the side message for all of you is that this is going to come in very unexpected way. Okay, so from people that you expect, from places that you expect, this is not going to come from there. It's going to come from very unexpected sources. Okay, so be ready to receive it. And the fourth message is that you've been in this working hard energy, which is a divine masculine energy within you. But now you have to go into the divine feminine energy, okay? Balance both, because now you be ready to receive it because it will come in unexpected sources and unexpectedly. So you need to be ready to receive that. Love it for you, Aries. You deserve it. Unfinished symphony, okay, and that is number 10. So you are going to complete a vicious cycle. Now I use the word vicious cycle because it was something that has kept you worried, sad, hurt or disappointed for a long time. And this prosperity coming in from unexpected sources, okay? Prosperity is not just money, okay? Prosperity is happiness, a good news, okay? So it is coming from unexpected sources which will change this narrative of unfinished symphony, which you are, it was never ending and you felt things are never going to change. So it may come in unexpected ways and be ready to receive that and get out of that energy. Beautiful. You've been in this thinking man energy, which is about the King of Swords energy, but this also sometimes tells me that though he is thinking and is logical and he's very methodical and strategic, he also this energy also tends to be overthinking, worrying, fearful energy. Okay, and this is number 46 again, which works out to 10. So you're coming out of this. Okay, so both the cards are about completion of this energy. Beautiful. And wow, new beginning card. This is the Ace of Wands, which is all about fire in your belly, passion, hope, looking forward. Okay, and this is about the divine blessing you, which came here again. Okay, so this card also told you that you're going to be divinely blessed, and this is about an inspiration, an idea, a news, an opportunity, a new opportunity that you will be blessed with, which will get you out of this circle that you were going round and round and overthinking and worrying and fearing, and you are going to come out of that. Beautiful. Even I think Gemini got the same card in the same position. Queen of Wands energy. Forget the gender. Now this energy is all about passion, fire, wand energy twice here. Okay, and you are a fire energy too. You are a fire sign too, Aries. So this is about fire, about finding that fire within you. This energy is confident. This energy is a go-getter energy, very powerful, very bold, and very charismatic and magnetic, and a no-nonsense person, a go-getter. This is the energy that you need to be also, and you also need to balance it with being ready to receive. Okay, not just do, but to receive this new start that you're getting. And this is going to be in the form of a new job, a new offer, or a new job offer, or a new business offer, or a big contract, or a new love. Somebody is going to profess and propose to you, or is going to express their love for you, or you would do that. But others of you, this would mean emotional fulfillment, coming out of this overthinking energy, fearful, worrying energy. And some of you are worriers by nature. Okay, so you're coming out of that and having that emotional fulfillment, which is going to give you this prosperity, is going to signify that. Okay, I love it for you, Aries. I'm going to leave you with one final card from this oracle, and let's see what message they have for you. Alright. Oh wow, you've drawn the Kali Mata card. Very powerful energy. She is a slayer of the demons inside. Okay, not just the demons outside, the demons that are inside your head, the overthinking, the worrying. Okay, she's come here to slay that, and she's talking about facing your fear. I just spoke about that. Major spiritual changes are unfolding. This is your chance to soar. Get into this confident energy, not in this fearful energy, and conquer your demons which you are battling with, that have kept you stuck in this cycle. Step out of it. Start a new beginning. Beautiful and powerful reading for you, Aries. If you enjoyed it, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and expect many more interesting readings regularly in this year. I'll see you soon, Aries. Namaste.